Women are twice as likely as men to experience depression. This example shows the link between depression and menstrual pain. The film Her Story shows us a more respectful perspective.
那就是好东西。
Thank you very much for agreeing to be interviewed with us. So it'd be great if you could give us an introduction to yourself and your research.
Hello, my name is Shuhe Liu. I'm a second-year PhD student in School of Science at XJTLU. My research focuses on genetic link to explore how diseases connected and what caused them, especially mental disorder. Recently, we published a paper on genetic link between depression and menstrual pain. I am supervised and supported by Professor John Morris, Dr. Zheng Wei, and Dr. Carr. Women are twice as likely as men to experience depression, and also with more severe symptoms in physical health. This has been explored between the mental health and women's health, but it has not been explored enough. This is important because in the both conditions there are complex. The genetic links and the environmental factors also may involve the intertwined physiological symptoms. Our study found that depression could increase the likelihood of menstrual pain. Women's emotional health and their body are connected, especially during their reproductive years. Depression could affect their hormone system and hormone changes. Different level of changes could affect their reproductive and other organs, which could cause more severe period pain. The film Her Story shows a character, Xiao, shows the link between depression and menstrual cycle or menstrual pain.
我第一次来例假的时候被我妈骂了一顿。为什么？是我的错了，我把裤子沙发都弄脏了，也不能怪她。后来我就尽量不让自己来例假，就是吃药什么。
She was blamed by her mother for her period, and this family-level suppression have influenced her mental state. She tried to stop her period by taking medicine. In turn, this influenced her irregular period cycle and make more severe period pain. Later, her people-pleasing character and personal life has led to the further someone called smiling depression during her college. This example shows the link between depression and menstrual pain and help us to consider the mental health and our physical health are not separate problems. This is also important to understand the overall health to better care of our whole body.
So as these topics have been trending recently due to the films you mentioned and other films about these issues, how does your research contribute to raising awareness and improving understanding of the struggles women face with their health?
Women face many hormonal changes in their lives, such as puberty, pregnancy, postpartum, and menopause. This kind of hormone changes could cause some we have ever heard about that, such as postpartum depression and menopause symptoms. We need to use science to understand this better, to avoid the shame around that. Additionally, in some films that they describe the female character using crazy or insane or hysterical, using a gaze that mocks them or objectifies them. In contrast, the film Her Story shows us a more respectful perspective to avoid shame and to make it an open conversation with the lines.
这有什么见不得人了？世界上有一半的人都会流血啊！
我小时候没有女朋友的时候，我一直以为月经是蓝色的。
啊
Open conversation make it out of the shame. It is natural. I consider that shame comes from a lack of cognition. In personally or in society, we need to empower ourselves with scientific knowledge. We need to remember we are our body here first before we are defined by what others said to us or how others see us.